Hi guys, it's your boy Ali coming at you live from EKP, and today I am going to be breaking down how I like to make my vocals to sound like contemporary mainstream artists. It's just my way of going around it. The song is Annie's song. It's available on all streaming platforms. I'm the artist. If you fuck with what you hear today, check it out. So without wasting your time, let's get into it. The beat I got it from YouTube. Shout out Eugene, amazing producer. I love his work. Very very mellow, very very chill. So yeah. My bad.
Eugene.
I know, when you kiss me, I go. When you hold me, it shows. Where I need you, it shows. You know, when I'm with you, I know. When I'm with you, I know. When I'm with you, cold toe. You live inside my head. I wonder why, I wonder how. Think you lost my mind. You live inside my head. I wonder why.
Feel me. Open this possible. Listen. So yeah, that was it. What you just heard is basically like the gist of the whole thing. So I'm gonna break it down piece by piece. Sorry, I'm kind of like munching. So like the main vocals, the lead vocals. I think we could make use of this section to like I could like make use of this section to prove points to you guys. I think so. We're just gonna highlight from here to here. Okay, so that's like the main vocals without any processing. The vocals are routed to track 3. This is track 3 over here. First of all, I have RX set. I'm just gonna start one by one, and I'm also gonna mute the instrumentation so you can hear the difference.
I know, when you kiss me, I go. When you hold me, it shows. Where I need you, it shows.
Okay, so that's like the main take. So I first of all loaded up the clicker, amount the click for the clips that might have come in when I was recording the song, all this kind of sounds. With it sounds like this.
I know.
Hold up, yeah. You gotta turn this on so your effects can come in from the effect rack.
I know, when you kiss me, I go. When
Already, you can hear that. You can see this. It's like taking out the clicks before like it's taking out the clicks as the main take is going on. Without it, it sounds like this. I don't need just share it out.
I know, when you kiss me, I go. When you hold me, it shows. Where I need you, it shows. You know.
Okay, so now this is with the mount the click.
I know, when you kiss me, I go. When you hold me, it shows. Where I need you, it shows. You know.
Okay, so these are things we can't hear right now, but along the line they make a difference because of compression, saturation, blah 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 blah. But like, let's get on to it. So next thing I like to do is autotune. Autotune sounds like this. The key of the song is in G major, G minor, I believe. So this is my retune autotune settings.
I know, when you kiss me, I go, when you hold me, it shows where I need you.
So you can already hear some difference. What the autotune is doing is kind of like pitching my vocals to the key of the beat. In a second, you're gonna hear the difference. The next thing that I like to do is EQ. EQ varies differently for every song because not every song is taken the same way. But along the line, this is how it sounds.
I know, when you kiss me, I go, when you hold me, it shows where I need you, it shows.
Can you hear the difference? Without it?
I know, when you kiss.
With it?
I know, when you kiss me, I go, when you hold me, it shows.
So like, I don't want to waste too much time. Next thing I like to do is use Virtual Mix Rack by Slate Digital. They have it has a way of, the preset is pop vocals. It has a way of giving my voice some spice.
I know, when you kiss me, I go.
I don't need to tell you if you hear the difference. Obviously, you should. The next one I like to do is compress. I use CLA 76 mono. Sounds like this.
I know, when you kiss me, I go, when you.
Preset is on the vocals. So that's it over there. So I'm just on a little bit. Already you can hear so much difference in the processing. Because of the processing, sorry. Then IDS to take out some harsh frequencies.
I know, when you kiss me, I go, when you hold me, it shows where.
So I hope you can hear the difference. I like to use Echo Boy by Sound Toys for my delay. Analog delay, clean ping pong. You can copy settings if you want, but you can also tweak it out to like match what you're looking for. So next and final thing I like to do is EQ again because we have done so much additions here and there and everywhere, and this is how the main lead vocals sound right now.
I know, when you kiss me, I go.
That's it. Sounds clean, right? Then I like to wrap my main channel, my lead vocals, to another separate channel, and I like to call it Verb. I like to use H reverb by Waves, one plate. You can copy the presets, auto tune again for the reflections coming in from that channel to this channel, same key of the other one. Yeah, then I like to EQ my signal for the vocals coming into the reverb channel, and last but not least, I like to sidechain. Sidechain is something that you need. It's not. I'm not gonna say you need, but it's something I like to do. It really helps my vocals like come out really well. So together it sounds like this.
I know, when you kiss me, I go.
And with the instrumentation, it sounds like this.
I know, when you kiss me, I go, when you hold me.
Okay, so pay attention to the next part. After doing that whole much processing, I consolidated my this and this and this. I consolidated them to be this and this with the effects and processing from earlier on. Okay, so I'm gonna mute these and I'm gonna unmute the consolidated tracks and I'm gonna explain the next thing I did. So yeah, here it goes.
I know, when you kiss me, I go, when you hold me, it shows where I need you, it shows. You know, when I'm with you, I know, when I'm with you, I know, when I'm with you, oh, you live inside my head.
Okay, so last but not least, I don't think I did anything over there. Okay, earlier on, I did try to pan the vocals to two separate channels for more stereo separation, but I changed my mind because I thought it was too much. It didn't fit. It didn't really fit the vibe of the song. But this is it with the.
I know, when you kiss me, I go, when you hold me, shows where I need you, it shows. You know, you.
Anyway, that aside, I didn't do that. Instead, I just wanted a lot of headroom. So what I did was master. This is my master track. I don't want to spend too much time into it, but you guys get a jerk of it. This is just to give you an idea of how you can make your vocals come out. You know what I'm saying? And I don't think it's compulsory that you always have to stereo shape. By stereo shape, I mean pan left and right over here and here, because most of my audio tutorials you see me do that a lot. But I'm just gonna let you know that I don't do it all the time because I don't feel like it's needed all the time. You feel me? This is my master channel. Shout out Sean Divine. Shout out. I can't really remember his name right now, but when I do, I think I'm gonna put his tag on the description of the video, and I'm also gonna leave the link to the song on all streaming platforms together with my um what do you call that thing? There's a link to the video on YouTube as well. You guys check it out if you fuck with what you heard. I don't want to waste too much time. Yeah, till next time. I love you guys. Check out the full song online with the master. It sounds like this.
I know, when you kiss me, I go. When you hold me, it shows where I.
So I didn't really do the whole stereo thingy over here because already I can see ahead that when I master this thing, the vocals are gonna come out, and then I like the way it blends with the beat. I want the vocals to be behind the beat a little bit, so that's why I went taking this route this time around. Yeah, so that's it. Till next time, guys. I love y'all. Thank you for keeping up with me. I hope to keep bringing more fire content. Yeah, peace and love.